If you're Nigerian living in Ghana, come closer. If you are Ghanaian who has friends and family in Nigeria, come closer. Now, one of the biggest challenges you face as a Nigerian living in Ghana here is sending money back home to Nigeria. But I'm doing this video to let you know that that challenge is over, and now you can send money under a minute to Nigeria. It will not take you more than a minute to send money from Ghana to Nigeria. But before I get to that part of the video, let me give you a little bit of history, or let me give you a breakdown of how we got here. Now, if you live in Ghana, you probably know of these three networks: AT, MTN, and Telecel. Now, our focus today is going to be on MTN, because MTN is the one that is allowing us to send money from Ghana to Nigeria in under a minute with no stress and super seamlessly. Okay, so in 2009, MTN introduced what we call mobile money wallets, alright, popularly known as Momo. And this project was basically a way for Ghanaians to go cashless and carry money around on their mobile devices without fear of losing them. Alright, and you can send that money from MTN user to MTN user. Okay, but other networks adopted that, and now we had every network in Ghana with their own mobile money wallet. Fast forward to 2018, the Ghana Interbank Payment and Settlement System introduced what we call mobile money interoperability. Basically, what they said was they are going to allow all the networks in Ghana with mobile money wallets to be able to send money to each other. So MTN users could send money to Telecel and AT users. AT users could also do the same. Telecel users could also do the same. So everybody with mobile money wallets across different networks could send money to each other. Okay, but fast forward to today in 2025, MTN has taken a step further with cross-border payments. And cross-border payments is basically, just as the name says, allows us to send money across borders. So now we can send money from Ghana to other countries, and they decided to roll out the first country as Nigeria. So in today's video, or in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the MTN mobile money wallet to send money to people in Nigeria. Okay, and it's going to take you less than a minute. So before I even show you how to do that, if you find content like this useful, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel and turn on notifications. And after you are done watching the video and you think the video is good enough, just give me a like. So let me show you the things you're going to need in order to achieve this. There are basically only three requirements. You need to have a device, you need to have an MTN SIM, and you need to have your mobile money wallet activated on your MTN number in order to do this. So let's hop onto our devices and let me show you how you can send money from your Ghana mobile money wallet to someone in Nigeria. Okay, so on your device, click on the dialer or the phone app and dial *170#. In the menu, choose the first option. Now over here, choose the seventh option, which is cross-border payment. Under the cross-border payment menu, select the first option. And over here, select the country. For now, it's only limited to Nigeria, so go ahead and choose that one. Now you can enter the recipient number, click on reply, enter your MTN mobile money code, and the money will be sent to the recipient in Nigeria faster than you can say, "Oga, how far?" Alright guys, so that is the quick tutorial on how to send money from Ghana to Nigeria in under a minute, and I hope you found this video useful. Just leave me a like if you did, comment if you're going to try this, and start sending money to your loved ones and your friends and family in Nigeria, because I know you guys are been wanting this, and finally it's here. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.